guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Joyvin and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I bought my first Huda Beauty palette. So I bought her Naughty Nude palette and this is how it looks. I mean, I guess everyone knows how it looks by now. I'm pretty late to the game, but I'm very excited to try it out. And this is how it looks in the inside. It has different textures. It has matte shimmers and it also has this jelly kind of a texture with some pearls in it, which if you mix it, it gives you it's a different kind of a texture altogether. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you are here right from the beginning, thank you so much for all the love and support. I can't believe we have crossed 100 subscribers and I hope we continue to grow more in the future. If you do want to know how I got this look using the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty, then please keep on watching. So I've already moisturized and primed my face and I'll be starting with foundation. So for foundation today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation in the shade 310 Sunbeige. Moving on to concealer, so I'll be using a combination of two concealers today. So really close to my inner corner, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation in the shade CW03, and then the rest of the under eye I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. To set my under eyes today, I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. To bring back a little color back to my face, I'm using the Take Home the Bronze Bronzer by the Balm and it is in the shade Thomas. As my blush today, I am using the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party Dress. For my highlighter, I am using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. To set everything in place, I'm using the Morphe Brushes Mini Continuous Setting Mist. Now moving on to the part for which I'm most excited. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So I'm first taking the shade called Filthy in the palette on a very fluffy brush and I'll be placing this shade basically all over my eyelid. For my next step, I'm using the shade Untamed from the palette and I'm taking it on a more precise brush and I'll be placing it on the outer corners of my eyelid. As my lid shade, I'm using the shade Passion. So now this is a dual chrome shade. It has this different texture, but if you mix it, it changes into a more bluish maroon burgundy kind of a shade. It's very pretty. And I'm taking it on my finger and I'm placing it all over my eyelid. I'm using the shade Irresistible from the palette as my inner corner highlight. I'm again going ahead with the shade Untamed from the palette, and I'm going to use it to smoke out my lower lash line. I went ahead and did my brows and lashes off camera, and now moving on to lips. So I'm using this NYX Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Siren. It's a matte lipstick and it's a very pretty color. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I definitely love the palette and I'm so excited to use it again in the future. The mattes in the palette are super blendable and the shimmers are awesome. And also the dual tone shades, which gives this really pretty kind of a dual tone effect. It's kind of awesome, I feel. So in total, I definitely love the palette and I feel it's a great purchase. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Please smash that like button and share it with your friends and family so that we have a small family here on YouTube. If you ever recreate this look using this palette or any other palette, please don't forget to tag me in your recreations. I would love to see them. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. I love reading your comments, it's very encouraging. And yeah, until next time, I see you. Bye. See, the shimmers go on well as well. Yes, it's Huda Auntie Sleepy. Video I'll be recreating.